Ever wondered how to protect your remote cabin or farm without power lines or Wi-Fi? Today's video reveals the top 5 off-grid solar Wi-Fi camera with night vision. Perfect for complete security even in the wild. Welcome to the channel. Check the links in the description to grab yours today. The number 5 product on our list is ELECCTV Solar Security Camera. What if your off-grid camera could alert you within 2 seconds of movement, day or night, rain or shine? That's the kind of peace of mind ELECCTV Solar Security Camera brings. In our roundup of the top 5 off-grid solar Wi-Fi camera with night vision, this one stands tall for its crisp 2K clarity, reliable dual-band Wi-Fi, and surprisingly simple setup. The wide-angle lens paired with color night vision gives unmatched coverage even in total darkness. Unlike bulky systems, this compact unit is completely wire-free, IP65 weatherproof, and lasts up to 3 months on a single charge. We found the AI motion detection to be fast and accurate, and the customizable alerts, especially the barking dog sound, felt like a smart layer of home defense. If you're seeking real freedom with powerful surveillance, this camera delivers both confidence and control, ideal for remote properties and anyone who values reliable, silent protection. Number 4 is Septekon Solar Security Camera. Did you know some security cameras miss critical moments because they lag in motion detection? Septekon shatters that worry. In our search for the top 5 off-grid solar Wi-Fi camera with night vision, this one proved to be a standout thanks to its lightning-fast PIR sensor and full 360-degree view. With vivid 2K visuals and true color night vision, it doesn't just monitor, it watches like a hawk, even in pitch black. Viewers loved how it rotated smoothly across wide yards and driveways, making blind spots a thing of the past. What hit home for us was the sense of relief you feel knowing your space is covered, rain or shine, thanks to that tough IP66 weatherproof build. It's wire-free, stress-free, and packed with smart deterrents like spotlights and sirens. If you've been burned by low-quality surveillance before, this one's a serious redemption. The third one on our list is TIEJUS Solar Security Camera. What if your camera could scare off intruders with your own voice? TIEJUS makes that possible, and it's turning heads in the latest off-grid solar Wi-Fi camera lineup. As we tested models for our night vision camera roundup, this one impressed fast. The dual-band Wi-Fi made setup effortless, and those reinforced waterproofing upgrades, a total win for anyone dealing with unpredictable weather. You get crisp 2K video even in complete darkness, with a viewing range that gives true peace of mind. The solar panel charges efficiently with just 1.5 hours of sunlight, keeping your property protected nonstop. Bonus, instant app alerts, smart AI detection, and up to 4 users watching in real time make this a community-minded choice. It's ideal for families, remote cabins, or anyone serious about security without wires or subscriptions. Stay tuned, because the next camera might just top this one. Number 2 is AOSU Solar Security Camera. Can the camera really protect your home without ever touching a power outlet? The AOSU Solar Security Camera says yes, and it delivers. From the moment I installed it, guided step by step by the app's voice prompts, I knew this wasn't your average solar camera. Its panoramic rotation gives complete 360-degree coverage, and the sharp 2K clarity brings every detail to life, day or night, and automatically locks on to any human movement and tracks it smoothly, offering not just alerts, but context. This isn't about features, it's about confidence, knowing your property is actively guarded. Compared to others in our off-grid lineup, AOSU stands out with its low minute solar efficiency and true full view coverage. For those needing non-stop protection without dealing with wires or recharging, this is a smart, stress-free pick you'll feel every day. Now, moving to the last one is SEHMUA Solar Security Camera. Did you know a single solar camera can replace wired systems and still give you 360-degree HD clarity even at night? The SEHMUA Solar Security Cam does exactly that, quietly protecting your home while staying powered by just a few hours of sun each day. During our tests for off-grid camera setups, this one stood out for its ultra-clear 2K footage and vivid night vision that brings scenes to life after dark. It's fully wireless, spins a full 355 degrees, and alerts you instantly with precise human detection. No more false alarms from passing bugs. Its rugged IP65 waterproofing makes it a steady performer in extreme conditions. For those building a security system without the stress of power lines or weather worries, this camera feels like a win. It earns a solid place in our series and keeps surprising us. Let's see how the next contender compares. Among all five, SEHMUA Solar Security Camera stands out with its powerful night vision, reliable solar charging, and complete coverage. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 off-grid solar Wi-Fi camera with night vision. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.